Honestly, the enhancement of this video is given. Omo, see me when I have not edited the video now. See? Now, see me now. See the magic. Paga. If you have been having unclean and unsmooth video all this while, don't worry, henceforth, your video will start coming out nice like this video you are watching here. This video was not like that, like I showed you before. So, this is the way I edited it and it came out like this. Now, let me tell you something. It's quite obvious that most of the pictures that I used here to edit this video to give me this outcome is on pro version. But guys, I'm going to tell you the tricks that I used to export this video without paying dime. Like, who is paying for Capcut? We are not paying, but we are getting everything. So right now, without wasting time, let me teach you all the tricks that I use to enhance this my video to come out this beautiful and lovely. Let's move, guys. So what I did was, first of all, once I imported the video, the first thing I do is to go to adjust. Number one thing I do. Once I go to adjust, I'll go to brightness. Once I go to brightness, I'll increase it. I did not highlight the video at first too. I'm doing everything general. Okay. I will just go ahead and increase it to either 12, 13, 11, but I normally keep it at 14 or 13. So depending the way the video is, never can tell. Then I will go to saturation. I will keep it at 12 or 11. Just check the one that works best for you. Okay. I'll go to brilliance. I will add it to 6 or 4 or 3. As you are doing is be checking the video. Okay. So this 5 is okay. Then the next thing I do is to go to sharpen. I will go to sharpen. Then I will increase it to either 30 or 40. Okay. 40 is okay for me. Then once I'm done doing that, the next thing I normally do is to go to filter. Watch you. Now, this is my favorite and it's for free. This balloon. So I love using balloon. You can choose any one of your choice depending the color of your body. Okay. I need to decrease it. Okay. I will decrease it. So once I'm done, I'll tap on good. So it is not all. Now the main work has to come. So guys, next thing you need to do is to highlight it. Once you tap on the video, it has been highlighted. You now go ahead to retouch. When you go to retouch, you go to face. Okay. So the next thing is going to bring it out like this so that you will see what you are doing. Okay. Then you go ahead and do what? Tap on face. Once you tap on face, you go to smooth. Tap on smooth. So you need to increase it. Be watching what will happen now. Look at the way it is. Now see what will happen as we are smoothing it. Can you see that? So that's it, guys. Then the next thing you need to do is to do what? I normally use this white teeth because I can't be beautiful and my teeth will be brown or any high color. As you can see, my teeth is not brown, no, don't mind me. So I will just go to white teeth, whiten it a little. Okay, I'll whiten my teeth a little. As you can see, it's coming up nice. So once I'm done, I'll just tap OK. All right. Another thing I normally do is to also go to the what? Body. Then I go to smooth again. I will smoothen my body. Okay, I will smoothen my body to make it look bright and okay. If you feel like you're not okay with that, go to brighten. You can still go ahead and brighten it. All right. Before don't want you think that one is okay, go ahead and reduce it. Once you are done, tap on good. So this is it, guys. Let's just play the video and see what we just did. You find out that a background like this back you're seeing now. Guys, there's something I forgot to tell you guys. You know, sometimes when you upload your video, you find out that the quality of the video that you uploaded is not the same quality of the video that you had before you uploaded it. That means YouTube reduce it. So for it not to be like that, there's something you need to be doing, which is by going to, after you have edited your video to your satisfaction, go ahead to adjustment. Okay, when you go to adjustment, go ahead and look for grain. Okay, this is grain. When you tap on grain, go ahead and increase it a little. Increase it a little bit, even if it's just 2. or 1 or 3. At least let grain be there. That grain protects the quality from being reduced. Okay, so that's how it works. That is the work of that grain. Because when YouTube find out that there's grain addicted on that video, they will not be able to reduce it. Rather, they will leave your video the way it is. Oh yes, now Capcut is just there busy watching you, saying that so he has used our retouch. Now come and show me how you will come out of this. Don't mind me. Don't worry, I'm here to tell you how you can export this video without paying shimbai. Now let's move ahead. Let me show you what to do. Alright guys, I have to go ahead right now and pick up a video. Okay, the video I uploaded that I want to export after I use that retouch tool that is not for free. So what I need to do right now is to do what? Go ahead. Once I'm done editing everything I want to edit, I will go ahead and turn on my screen record. All right, I'm using screen record already, so go on and turn on your screen record. Then you play the video. Have you seen this video today? Don't struggle yourself again for editing. Whosoever is saying that Capcut cannot do all this job for you. This is enough for us now. Alright guys, once you have done recording from A to Z, like record every part, ahead and turn off your screen record. Okay, go and stop it, end it. Then the next thing you need to do for me is to do what? Let's assume that I've gone out of this place. Now what I need to do is to do what? Go to Capcut, back to projects. Go ahead to new projects. Then tap on that particular video that is screen recorded. Go to your screen record. Now let's go to screen record. I will select that particular video. Next I'm going to do is to do what? Remove the unwanted side. Let's see where it started. So guys, this is where I actually started talking. Then I'll go ahead and click on the video. Once I click on it, I'll go to split. Then I will remove the unwanted side. Okay, go ahead and remove the unwanted area. Now you are done removing the unwanted parts. Now what you need to do for me is to highlight the video again. Go to crop. You go ahead and look for 16:9. Once you are 16:9, use your 2 fingers. Okay, the first and second, use it and hold the screen where that video is. Okay, then fix it to be in the same alignment with that line you are seeing on crop. Once it's fitting, go ahead and tap on good. Tap on good on top here, resize good here. It's done. Then the next thing you need to do for me, but please do not highlight this time around. Just go ahead and look for aspect ratio. Okay, tap on aspect ratio, go to 16:9. Boom! As you can see, our video is cool. Guys, this is it. Now let's play the video and see. Have you seen this video today? Don't struggle yourself again for editing. Whosoever is saying that Capcut cannot do all this job for you. Have you seen this video today? Don't struggle. So guys, if you have seen the magic, this is a screen record though, but see how it's looking beautiful. It's already very okay now, but for someone like me, to make it retain that intensity of quality that I have given it. Okay, what I need to do is to do what? Tap on it. I will go to adjust. When I go to adjust, I will go to sharpen a little. I will sharpen it. Boom. Sharpen it. Sharpen it. Boom. It has come to full reality as if it's just a new, fresh, edited video right now. Then once you are done, you cannot go ahead and export your video. Nobody will disturb you. Did you see anything like AI Ultra HD here? No, it's still showing red, no blue color. That means you can export it. Now watch me, no fear. Go to export. Boom, 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 boom. It is done. You click on done. Now let's go to our gallery and look for that particular video. Zoom. We are doing magic here. And let's tap on the video. Look at the video here. Now let's watch and see this video. Let's watch and see. Have you seen this video today? Don't struggle yourself again for editing. Whosoever is saying that Capcut cannot do all this job for you. Boom! So guys, that is how I did that video. So you can use any picture of your choice and screen record it and do exactly what I just did, and it will come out nice. So this is it. There's no need for you to be paying for pro. Stop wasting your money for Capcut. So I hope this video must have given you a lot of value. Please do what you want others to do for you. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and drop your question, or if you feel like appreciating me, go ahead and say your thank you and I will appreciate it. God bless you. See you guys in my next video. Bye.